Hello friends, welcome to Milestone of Progress. Friends, today we will know about the Countifs formula. Before we start the Countifs formula, we know about the Countif formula, which is we have already discussed about the previous two videos. Friends, what is the Countif formula? Easily I can tell you. Friends, friends, in our both hands, in our both hands there are 10 fingers. Here this is now my first question is, how many middle fingers among the 10 fingers? You can easily answer me. There are 2 fingers among the middle fingers. This is here. For this question, friends, we are using the Countif formula. And the friends, my second question is how many spotted among the both middle fingers. Here we can see there are only one middle finger have a spotted. For this question, friends, we are using the Countif formula. Similarly, friends, I am using a database of the bikes sold, where some executives in there and some bikes are there who executive have sold, and there are the delivery date and the purchase date, and here is some incentive on the insurance and the on the bikes. Friends, now among the executive, only particular executive, how many sold the Honda Activa bike among the bikes? For this question, friends, we are using the Countifs formula. Let's start, friends, with the Countifs formula. Okay. Hello, friends. As discussed we are start with the Countif formula. Friends, here is the questions. Show the executive wise bike sales. For this question, we using the Countif formula, which is I have already 2 times discussed with you. Here is the database. The executive wise, first of we calculate to say executive wise data bike sales equal to COUNT Countif. Our range, friend, range is here. This is the range. Okay, and the criteria is AKSN. That means AKSN, how many bikes sold. Here the AKSN is total bike sold is 11. Okay, after that we have to fix the data for the more calculation for the another executive data. Okay, copy and the paste. And now my second question is, calculate the executive wise Honda Activa sales. Friends, in where the if is stand, if is stand, that means there have must criteria. In Countif formula, there is only one criteria, which is among the sales executive AKSN, how many cars sell. This is the only one criteria. Here is the 2 criteria. Among the sales executive AKSN, how many Honda Activa sell among the bikes. Let's start with the Countif formula equal to Countifs formula. First criteria, we have to select the range of the bike sold, and then the criteria is here, Honda Activa. This is I have mentioned already. Criteria is here. Then second criteria is among the sales executive, how many AKSN are there. Okay. After that we have to fix the data for the correct calculation, for the right calculation. Okay, we have this one and this, and we need not to fix the A5 cells. Okay, then copy and the paste. Okay, friends, and similarly I have already discussed with the fingers, among the 10 fingers how many middle fingers. For this criteria, Countif is used, and among the both 2 middle fingers, how many spotted are there. For this criteria, we have used the Countifs formula. Similarly is here, among the bikes, how many Honda, that means this is the middle finger. Okay, and among this middle finger, how many Honda Activa bike she have sold. There here is here. That means in Countifs we have got the total 11 number of bike AKSN sold, and among this 11 bike, Honda Activa car sold only 3. Okay. Got my point, friends. If you understood my points, please write down the comment box.